Deep in the forest, there are stories to tell of froggy, snake, bird, and monkey as well. It's hot again. The sun is roasting.
My tail's the...
Can you hear two voices boasting?
I'm the best runner.
I'm a stunner.
I can swing.
But you can't sing.
You can't hop.
Oh, you're just silly. You can't...
Stop!
Sneaky Snake came sliding in.
You two make a dreadful din.
Snake, welcome. You may have guessed we need to know which one is best.
Why can't you see that everyone says the best is me?
You're not.
Am.
What we need is to find a way to see who's best this very day. May I suggest a tug of war?
A tug of what?
I'll tell you more. Take that vine from the tree. You two take one end, the other me. We'll pull and pull
And pull.
to see who's strong and who's the fool.
Snake, you really haven't got a chance.
We'll lead you on a merry dance.
When you hear me shout, pull away with all your might.
Bird and monkey giggled with glee.
Together we're stronger than any snake could be.
But Snake was sneaky, Snake was clever. Snake knew that he could never ever win the tug of war alone, so he tied the vine to a great big stone.
While I relax out of sight, my pals will pull with all their might, and no matter how they huff and puff, their efforts will never be strong enough. Ready?
Ready?
Steady?
Steady.
Pull.
Bird and monkey grip. Snake relaxes amongst the leaves. Bird and monkey slip. Snake pretends to tug and heave. What are you doing? What's all this effort for?
Can't talk now. We're having a tug of war. This snake is strong.
Now, just hold on.
That's just what we're doing, can't you see? Leave us alone, Froggy. Let us be.
And then, crack!
Ooh!
Snake couldn't beat you on his own. He tied his vine end to a stone, and while you tugged and heaved away, he simply relaxed as he does all day. You really have to give Snake his due. He's proved himself cleverer than you.